All right, so I think if I can remove this heat shield flex plate, push this up a little bit, and I can able to pick and remove the catalytic converter. What do you guys think? Maybe. Let's give it a shot. This one is upstream O2 sensor, and this one is downstream. There we go. I think we can pull this out. And this guy is a little different. Gonna use this tool. You can actually bend this a little bit so you can see the hole right here. You can poke that out and it's just gonna come out. Alright, now we gotta remove the heat shield. There's 1, 2, and 3 right there. 10mm. Okay. Especially if you're going the wrong way. Okay, 10mm. Okay, I got my 19. Won't fit. There we go. Okay, with a little bit of this. Oops, wrong way. Oh, I forgot my O2 sensor up there. Oops. Now we're gonna do this. Alright, here's the flex plate. It's out. I got a 12. Whoa. Why are they so tight? or maybe I don't try it harder. Okay. What else? We gotta deal with this bracket. Oh boy! Nope, don't want to break my tool. This is 14 millimeter, by the way. I think there's one more. Oh no. Okay. We don't have any extra bolt holding this one. Nope. Oh, well, we'll find out. That's pretty cool. Okay, this one is mounted right here. I think it's a lot smarter to put this one here rather than on the block. I like it. I think Hyundai think a lot better than Kia. Okay, so this is 10 millimeter with extra long extension. So right there. Oh. Okay, it's right there. I wish it's not one so like magnetic. I love this 10 millimeter with extension. All right, now we can see all of them. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna remove this O2 sensor so I can get extra room down there. Okay. There you go. Now, I'm gonna use my mirror. Yeah, we got 3 up here, 2 in the bottom. Right? Okay. Let's try this. Yeah, hopefully it works. There we go. In there. Ooh, easy. Damn. There we go. Got it. One out. It's right there. Alright, I'm in. And this guy needs to go in. There we go. There we go. There we go. 2 out. 3 out. And we got 2 more. All right, let's try this. Oh, that's easy. Okay, at this one, I got my long ass extension in a 12mm right there. This is the last bolt holding it. Try not to drop the nut. It's right here. Then I believe we can pull this out this way. Yeah. Oops. 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 Oh no. Oh yeah. Really? There we go. Get this out. And got some stuff in there. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so here is all the parts they order, which is the main cat converter, gasket, another gasket, and some 12mm nut. What is this? Oh, they included this one too. Cool. All right, let's go ahead and open this. Okay. Well, they included this, but I gotta remove it to gain access on this 2 nut. And they did not include the other gasket, which is EGR gasket right here. They did not include that. And my experience, you know, if your cat is falling apart this bad, whatever stuff come out here will go on the base cat. But they didn't order this base cat. Well, I didn't look at it. I didn't diagnose it. I'm just a new guy here. The person who diagnosed it, it's not here, so I took it. Yeah, but in my opinion, if this one is going bad, especially this bad, you might want to consider replacing this one too. But we'll see. Okay, so I double check it with my parts guy. We don't have this one, but he said reused it, and I'm like, okay, if shit happens, it's on you. It's not me. Yeah. All right, so first let's go ahead and install this guy. remove the old one right here. I'll lower it down a little bit. There we go. There it is. So you're gonna go this way. All right. Okay. So a brand stinking new cal converter. And yeah, don't worry about that. That thing is gonna burn easily and it's not gonna cause any issue. All right, let's fight this guy. Okay. There we go. I didn't forget anything. Nope, I think we're good. Okay. There we go. There we go. Went in. That's not too bad at all. Let's go ahead and use the nut. I think it's gonna need 2 in the bottom. Okay. Whoa, 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 don't do that. Now what? Oh boy, I hate this. Where did you go? Yep, damn. It did drop to the hole perfectly, right there. Okay, round 2. Don't drop it. All right. Okay. Snug this guy. And also this guy. Oh, I got lucky. And this one. I think I can work on the other one too. It's right there. Oh yeah. Okay. I need to lower the vehicle down. Okay. Try to put this by hand. Oh yeah. Got it, guys. I got it. And when you guys thirsty, there's right there. There's like water dripping down from HVAC hose, drain hose. That's good. That's good. That's good. All right. Now we're not forgetting anything? I don't think so. All right, let's go ahead and put this shiny one. Okay, it's time for this one. And we got one gasket. And here is the part number, guys. Well, part number for the nut. And part number for the gasket. Alright, let's try this. Is she gonna go to the rear? Nope. Okay. Put this back. Gonna go this way. There's a new gasket up there, right? Yep. There we go. And we got a new nut for those. Just two of them? Okay, so I guess you gotta go reuse the other two. Yeah. Well, my opinion, you don't have to buy this, guys. Just reuse your stuff. But I strongly suggest to replace the gasket right there. Yeah. Nut, you don't have to. Alright, the nut goes this way. Two more here. Yeah, this two goes this way. got my 19 back. Okay. All right. Time for this. Oh boy. Oh man, seriously? Alright, so we are back here with my mirror and the new two nut. One is in, next one is going in. Alright, then don't forget about this three. This is gonna be my collection. And this too. All right, let's line this up. Oh, I got the wrong size. Not a 12, not a 14, and it's a 12. Okay. It goes out. There we go. What the hell? Oh. There we go. swivel, extension, swivel with suck. Okay. Okay, this one goes here. Hopefully you guys can see it. I can't even see it. Okay. Whoa! Did I forget something? Yes, I did. This guy. Well, I can still put it in. Yep. There you go. There you go. It's tight. Now we're good. Let's go ahead and tighten this. There we go. Okay. Now let's plug those in. Here's the other one. It's right here. It's gonna go here. Alright, make sure it's installed correctly. There you go. There you go. Yep, got a good clearance. Yep. And this guy is gonna go here. Okay. There you go. Sweet. I think I'm done. All right. Well, you do have a check engine light to begin with. I didn't scan it though because I didn't diagnose it, but I'm gonna go ahead and read his story and I'm gonna mention it on the description. Oh, it's still there, so we can go scan it. Okay. Alright guys, so I did scan the full system and I do have this CAT system efficiency below threshold P042 history now. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete it. So hopefully the base CAT is not bad enough to create some concern. So yeah. Alright. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it for a test drive, double check my work, and I'll be done. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye.